Lawmakers are getting tired of mask mandates. Some tried and failed to ban them entirely. And leaders in Bismarck say fewer people are now wearing them. Reporter Jacob Noderman tells us that they're considering a change to their policies.
Walking around the Capitol, you might see some conflicting signage. Some say masks recommended, while others say masks required. There are different rules for different wings of the building, but in just a few weeks, the entire Capitol could be under the same policy. Mask wearing has become almost as political as the people wearing them. Some wear clear face shields and some try to avoid them altogether, but others try to show some personality.
People ask, are you hooked on it or do you do a lot of it? No, I don't, but I do enjoy a shot once in a while. But I kind of respond with, I believe in recycling.
If you're wondering how effective his Crown Royal bag is, Trottier said he and his wife believe they've gotten COVID twice. Under joint rules, lawmakers must wear a face covering when in the chambers and in committee rooms. As frustrations over mandates grow, legislative leadership is on track to downgrade the mandate to a recommendation.
It was the understanding, I think, of everyone involved that this is something we were going to do for a period of time. We didn't know what the period of time was. We didn't know when and if we would suspend it during the session, but I think most of us kind of expected that we would, or change it or alter it. And so this is a little bit of a different animal.
In order to have the mandate lifted, the House and Senate must agree on the same changes for the same start time. But the Senate wants the mandate in place longer than the House. If new rules are adopted, it wouldn't be a complete rollback of COVID precautions and infrastructure. Leadership said that it is critical that the temperature checks at the entrance and rapid testing remain. At the Capitol, I'm Jacob Noderman, reporting for your news leader.
North Dakota had an additional 1,600 deaths in 2020 when compared to the past 4 years. Officials blame the coronavirus, but it's not the #1 cause of death. After claiming the lives of more than 1,000 North Dakotans, COVID-19 was the third leading cause of death in the state in 2020. Heart disease is #1, followed by all cancers and then coronavirus. In 9 months, the pandemic claimed the lives of more than 1,100 people.
Number of excess deaths that we're currently estimating for 2020 compared to the previous 5 years is about 1,600. And, that's not a small number for a state the size of North Dakota.
The final 2020 death and birth report is expected to come out in June. Health Department leaders say they don't expect the numbers to change much.
Up next on Valley News Live at 6. After you finish supper, we got an idea for you.